She got my ass around cause she gon' rock with me. And if them niggas play that mode, she gon' pop with me.
And when that shit hit the fan, she's not bitching.
I know if I get in that jam, it's constant visits.
One in the head, he can't think, now his conscious missing.
Just think about that shit you did, all that op and extension.
Nobody this, nobody that, I ain't sparing no bitches.
I ain't mean to get carried away, I be hopping them fences.
I need a bitch that's down the slide, she gon' slide in there with me.
And if a nigga gotta walk, she walking it with me.
I ain't never been a nigga to talk unless we talking about business.
But she can touch us for my walk, I was standing no business.
I gave her mama a little work, now it's playing in fitness.
Listen to how them niggas talk, gon' end up in dishes.
You thought a nigga had popped you, now it's too for flinching. And when the nigga get home, the baby in the kitchen.
She got the greens in the pot, she frying the chicken. Them kids plays first, if it's not, then I'm tripping.
Baby know that pussy my shit, I'm king when I'm in it.
I fuck with her, she keep it side, the other protected.
Pussy bitch, I ran from who, I ain't did it in a minute. Probably when I was doing track, I ran in the fitness. I keep that karma solidified, cause niggas be snitching. That's why I keep my circle tight, cause niggas be bitches.
Nigga, I ain't never hide, don't get found in them dishes.
Bitches, bitch, I buy five, got a lot of ammunition.
Bitches, Grammy gang, I'm sorry, I'm crippin'.
I catch you on that side, fish bowl and flipping.
Bitch, I'm swinging every word like bitch, get back.
Make your move, I think I'm playing, you gon' end up with a shit
I'll
bag.
take you and take it home and some shit that you can't get back.
Catch you pulling up at your mama crib and knock your shit back. I been really trying to chill, man, they telling my ass to sit back.
Niggas tryna catch me love and shaking my head, nigga, fuck
I got
that.
a little bit of shit, thought y'all should ready to tell me we live at.
Pull up at this apartment, now I'm peeking through the peak. I just caught him around this pole, ooh, I'm thinking it's a free throw.
Double tap, he looked at dead, but let me see though.
Tryna find that body, gon' have you searching like he Nemo. I caught him looking fresh as hell, I told him bullets, he close.